Daylilies love the heat. It's a little warm, it's sunny, but the hotter it gets, the better daylilies produce. In fact, we've created certain types, these are all different varieties of daylilies that like the heat. Some daylilies may melt and not look great, but our reds get better throughout the day. We have all different colors, except blue. I wish I could create a blue daylily. Hasn't happened yet. Don't know if it will. Daylilies produce a new flower every day, and right here, these are some buds. This bud's gonna get a little bigger and it's gonna open up the day after tomorrow. Now, this one variety here is a unique variety. Some daylilies, a common one, like right here, Stella Dior, sends up new stems throughout the summer. Not common. Some just bloom for 6 weeks. But this daylily, called Opha or Alpha, produces a new bud on the same stem for months. And we've used it in our hybridizing to create long blooming daylilies. Let's look at some other daylilies. Daylilies enjoy full sun. They also like bright shade. Just to remind some of you what bright shade is where you're walking through the garden and you're going to see some shady spots and sunny spots. Also, bright shade usually means during the afternoon sun. I sometimes think morning sun is shade, afternoon sun is sun. So daylilies really like the sun. You can look at the wide variety of colors that we already saw. This is a great daylily, and we actually gave it a great name. And its name is Bud Producer. You can look at all the buds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, probably close to 30 buds per stem. And the reason we like this one, and I can pick one here, is that it's filled with flowers. More flowers than this one here. But there is a difference between the two. This one's tall, this one's short, this has lots of buds, this has less buds, but this variety, Bud Producer, flowers during the day, where this one is called Citrina and it blooms at night. This is last night's bloom. It's kind of shriveling up like this, and then it's just going to fall to the ground in a day or two. This bud is going to open. It'll probably start opening at 5 o'clock. So at 5 o'clock, this one will, I may not get it, but it will start to open. And there's one more advantage to this night blooming daylily: extremely fragrant. So if you're entertaining and you have a pool or a deck surrounded with a daylily like Citrina, you can enjoy the fragrance and watch the flower open at night. I'm Mark Viette. Join me next time in the garden.